Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers and audience. Welcome to my YouTube channel DigiLearnersPoint. In this video we are going to explain how can you hide a first column of a sheet that you have hide or a series of columns that you have hide in your worksheet. So first I am going to hide some columns in front of you, then I am going to explain different methods to unhide all these hide columns individually or on collective basis. Let's start. So first I'm going to select these three columns A, B, C, and then I'm going to right click of your mouse and hide it. So you see this three columns has been hide. Now I'm going to unhide the first column, means column A. So I'm going to read this box. Here I have written A1. After that I click on enter or hit the enter button. After that you see in home tab there is a format tab. Click on this, go to visibility and select the unhide column. You see after this action only first column has been unhide, but how many columns we have hidden before? Three columns we have hidden before. So let's unhide the rest of the two. How? Again go to this column and this time write C1 all A1, comma B1, comma C1 and hit the enter button. After that again you go to the format button and hide and unhide. See, all the hide columns are now in unhide status. I hope you like this video. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get such kind of useful videos. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.